lecture we'll see how to calculate a norm of vector. So we'll see we need NumPy library to compute this norm of vector, and in exam you'll get the question like calculate the norm of array and sorry array, or we can say the list or vector. Calculate the norm of array, list or vector. So that kind of question will be there, and you have to solve this by using means manually you need to solve that. I'll just show you how to solve by using this NumPy library, as well as I will show you manually how to compute this one. So to solve this, we need this NumPy library, and we take the array np.array, and this is the array 1 2 3 4. Okay. So suppose I store this array in b variable, and we show that variable as b. So it contains the array 1 2 3 4. Okay. So in NumPy, so in exam you will get the question like write a Python program to compute the norm of a vector. So given vector, or there will be a question like compute the norm of given vector. Okay. So I am showing you both the thing in this particular video. So this is the array, and to get the array we need this NumPy library np.array 1 2 3 4. Okay. Now next step is we need numpy dot linear algorithm, linl. So that function is needed from the NumPy, and from there we import the norm. Okay. So I'll just copy this, and this is needed in order to compute the norm of vector. So I'll just import it. Now manually I'll show you how to compute this norm of array. So given we have this array or vector, like here we have the vector like 1 2 3 4. Okay. So to compute this means the formula for this norm is norm of vector is equal to square root of uh, square root of square of square of 11. And in a vector. So this is the formula for the computation of this norm of vector. Okay. So we'll just do the computation manually. Norm of vector p is equal to np dot square root, and we have square of element. So initially I take square of element 1 square is 1 plus, so square of sum of square of element. So there are 4 elements. For each element we need to take the square. 1 plus 2 square is 4. So I am directly taking the square. You have to take it as a 2 square, 1 square, or I'll just show you square plus 2 square plus square is a 9 plus 4 square is a 16. And square root of all these square, sum of square. Okay, and I'll just print this norm of vector b. Print the norm of the given vector is 5.47. Okay. So this is the just manual calculation. Uh, in a calculator, how to do this thing? Calculator, you have to take the square, add them together, and then take the square root. Okay. So very simple calculation for this norm of vector is there. The code for the same calculation of this norm, we use this norm function from the numpy dot lin l. So we use that function norm of vector b. Okay. So this is exactly same as 5.47. Okay, 5.4772. Okay. In exam, you need not to write all the decimal point. For 2 or 3 decimal points, you have to write. Okay. And you have to give the answer. So I have shown you both the things, how to do the code of the norm, and how to solve it by using manually. Also, we'll take one more example of this norm. So we have given array 1 comma 2. This is the vector 1 comma 2, and by using this numpy dot lineage, and we are importing this norm and compute norm of a is equal to, so we call that function norm, and it is 2.23, and manually we take the square root of this square, 1 square plus 2 square. Okay. So we get 2.360. Okay. So here also we got 2.360. One more thing to be noted. So this is for a simple vector. For the matrix calculation of matrix norm, we'll see in next video how to compute the norm of matrix.